Welcome to Thirsty's Masterclass. Today we're going to be giving you guys a little behind the scenes action on how we craft our cocktails.
From finding our inspiration to the finished product, we're gonna be walking you step by step through our process.
Inspiration comes from anything.
You can be inspired by spirit, fruit, place, holiday, season, person. There are so many things where you can find inspiration.
Let's say it's Taco Tuesday and you get inspired to make a margarita. What do you have in your fridge? You have a mango, make a mango margarita.
Maybe you just got back from Hawaii and you miss Hawaii and you remember their coconuts and you want to make a coconut-based cocktail. You were inspired by Hawaii.
Get inspired by color. You just want to make a pink drink one day. You wake up one morning, you want to make a pink drink. Sometimes I wake up in the morning and I want to make a pink drink. Or maybe you're just walking through the produce section and you come across a dragon fruit, me, and you're like, hey, I'm gonna make a cocktail out of this.
So we have this brand new bottle of vodka that we've been dying to use. So for today's recipe, the main ingredients will be this timeless vodka and the dragon fruit.
So we've actually never tried dragon fruit before, so we're gonna cut this baby open and see what it tastes like. I know that it's white and it has all those black little seeds in there.
So I feel like it's so pretty that it must taste good. Ooh, I like it. It's sweet, but not very strong.
I'm kind of feeling the crunch from the seeds.
It's very juicy, so I'm excited to make a cocktail out of this. I feel like it needs a little, this is sweet, but not too sweet, so we're gonna have to bump it up a notch.
Yeah, this is definitely gonna need some sweetener.
Yeah. The fundamentals of a cocktail are a spirit, citrus, and a sweetener.
The top two most commonly used citrus behind the bar are lemon and lime. And then the top two sweeteners I would have to say would be simple syrup and agave, but you can honestly sweeten your cocktail with anything sweet. There are so many brands out there that have any type of syrup that you can think of. Whatever flavor your heart desires, it is out there for you. So we've already established that the spirit we're using in this cocktail is going to be timeless vodka. So we need to figure out what we want to use as a citrus and a sweetener. I'm really passionate about cocktails being pretty. It's really important that they taste good, obviously, but I also do like a visually pleasing cocktail. So because these are white, the bottle is white, and fun fact, timeless vodka is actually purified with coconut carbon, so we decided to go with coconut syrup as our sweetener. It's gonna be like a tropical island in your mouth.
And for the citrus, we're gonna be putting the lime and the coconut. We are deciding to go with lime. So now we're gonna be building our cocktail. First, we're going to muddle the dragon fruit. We like to measure everything, guys, because if you don't measure it, then you don't know your recipe. You gotta measure everything, Write it down, don't forget it. So I'm gonna be juicing a ½ ounce of lime juice.
So the dragon fruit is a little bit sweet, but it's not sweet enough for us. So we're going to be adding 1 full ounce of our sweetener.
So the standard liquor pour for a cocktail is about 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces. So we decided to go with 1.5 ounces of vodka.
So you want to shake your cocktail for roughly 10 to 15 seconds. This thing stick. That's how you unstuck it. All right, so let's taste it. Okay.
That's good. Okay, yay.
We're going to roll our cocktails straight from our tin into the glass because we want to keep all those little pieces in there. I think they're really cute. And then we're gonna top it with some more ice. We're gonna cut a pretty garnish from our dragon fruit.
We're just gonna be cutting a wheel. We think a wheel will look really pretty on the side of this cocktail.
Gorgeous. And that was a little behind the scenes action on how we come up with our cocktail recipes.